Got another shipment. So this one is from Breck's Bulbs, Brecks.com. So this is 2 days after I got the last one. I should have just waited to do a video. Show me what's in the box. Ooh. Breck's Planting Handbook. How to bring the magic of Holland to your garden. With a windmill. Alright, so in this order, oh wow, they're like individually packaged in bags with sawdust. We got 3 bulbs of Easy Dance Lily, full sun, partial shade, early to midsummer flowering, 28 to 35 inches tall, 12 inches wide, plant 6 inches deep. I don't remember what any of these look like. Lipstick Blonde Hosta, 1 plant. Oh, there it is. Oh wow, they really mean 1 plant. Jesus, hopefully that survives. Partial to full shade, midsummer flowering, whatever. 12 to 15 inches tall. Soak in water for 30 minutes before planting. Okay, that's a new one for me. Ah, this is the one I was waiting for. Improved White Feather Hosta. Check this out. 1 plant, full to partial shade, 20 to 22 inches tall. There is a nice root. Where's the growth point though? Not even sure what way to plant that one. Tequila and Lime Reblooming Daylily. Sun to partial shade, blooms in midsummer and again in late summer to early fall, 29 inches tall, 1 plant. Black Stockings Reblooming Daylily. Full sun to partial shade. Blooms in midsummer and again in late summer. Up to 2 feet tall. And then the last one is Cool It Reblooming Daylily. Oh yeah, that's right. So I got a white one and a black one. I love black and white. I'm not even sure where I'm going to put these yet. So all of these say soak them in water for a half hour before planting. So I guess I will have to do that and then get going. I've got 2 heuchera that I want to divide, so I'm going to teach myself how to do that also. And I think I'm going to make tags for these. For instance, the 2 heuchera I have no idea what variety they are, and I'd really like to know. So going forward, I'm going to tag at least 1 of each plant. And that is it for everything I ordered online this year. So Breck's is another Canadian company you can order from online. So the only ones I know of are bambooplants.ca, which is awesome for all sorts of plants, not just bamboo and grasses. Breck's Bulbs, so Brecks.com, which is all kind of bulb plants like obviously tulips, hostas, daylilies, that kind of thing. One of my other favorites is Whiffle Tree Nursery. I don't remember their website, but they're located in Elora, Ontario, and they specialize in fruit trees. They are really good and really, really good prices. All of these ship when stuff is ready to plant, basically. So it's kind of fun if you order stuff in the winter, you kind of pay for it and forget about it, and then all of a sudden it arrives. It's like Christmas. That's that. Alright, so the directions on all of these bulbs said to let them soak for 30 minutes and then plant them, except for the Easy Dance Lily, whatever. So yeah, I actually let them soak for 30 minutes with a timer, and I'm gonna plant them. I guess first I got a wee bit of weeding to do. Ugh, grass is the worst. Just rained, so this stuff's coming up pretty easy though. Alright, so the idea here, let me move back, I'm gonna do a little drift of all the lilies. So I've got 3 of the easy dance ones. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna do black and white. These are the easy dance bulbs. They came packaged different and it didn't say to soak them, but obviously that's the growth point. So I'm gonna have that facing up. And 1, 2, 3. These ones say 6 inches deep. I'm gonna make plant tags, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna leave the bags near the bulb. What's this? This is tequila and lime. Oh, I forgot, there's tequila and lime too, which I'm gonna put over here. And then black stockings in the middle. And then the white one. So we'll have neon green, whatever color these are, black, white. And then those guys are gonna surround the backside. Okay, I got my holes. So the back 3 ones, I'll say 6 inches, and then the front 3, the ones I had to soak, I'll say soil level, but they have really long roots, so I'm gonna kind of put the roots down deeper. So here's what I've done. That's the black one. That's the tequila lime. Those are the bulbs. And that's the other one. And then I'm just gonna fill them in. So hopefully that's what they meant by soil level. Should be right, because all the other daylilies around here are already up a lot further than these. So we'll see. Anyways, I gotta go make tags for all of these, and then do the hostas in the backyard. Whew. All right, I'm in the backyard now. So this is the garden we can see from our living room window there. And I'm gonna put the white hosta right here. And then directly behind it, the lipstick hosta, which has like bright red stems and then like chartreuse leaves. But first, I need to bring up the soil level in here, and I'm gonna move that, and that out of here. I'm gonna divide that so I can put it on either side of the white and green. Oh, and then I'm gonna divide that and put the division where that one is. So we'll have bright white, dark purple, bright green. I think I'm gonna leave these heucheras here. They're doing all right. This is just a wild geranium and has tiny little pink flowers. So, oh, there's 2 of them. I don't know if I'm just gonna, okay, well, I'm just gonna rip them out. We'll find somewhere else for them. They pop up everywhere, so I'm not too worried about them. What's this? Oh, that's my Pachysandra. Super bright, shiny, or super dark, shiny green. I like those. Okay, then we've got these brass buttons that pop up everywhere. I'm gonna pull them out. I don't want them in here. Is that it? Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna top up the soil in here, and then I'll divide the that purple heuchera, which I don't think I kept the tag. So I'm just using topsoil bags that I already have. Okay, so here's the dark purple heuchera, and I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but there are multiple growth points. There you go. There's one. There's one. I'm gonna try and just split this in half between a bunch of them so that it gives me 2 of them. Okay, well, may have destroyed it, not quite sure. But I definitely have 2 now. See, and then this plant is a little bit smaller. So you could basically see where I just kind of separated the two. Like this is a plant and this is a plant. You can kind of separate all the leaves, and then I'm just gonna go straight down through. Probably should have something sharper than this guy. There we go. This one is gonna go over here because I like things symmetrical. There we go. All right, so that's everything. Got white hosta, lipstick blonde hosta, two purple heucheras, and then two whatever color heucheras these are. They're kind of like a weird orange. And then our dark shiny Pachysandra on either side. And yeah. And this is 3 weeks later. So that one heuchera I did kind of destroy, but it's coming right back. The lipstick has come up a ton. The improved white feather hosta hasn't come up yet, but I've dug it up twice and it has growth points. What are you doing, Buff? And then that heuchera is doing good too. Here are the lilies in the front that I planted. That's the Tequila and Lime, black Stockings, and the Coolit. They're doing really good now. The Easy Damp, so far I only see one coming up right there. He's just starting. I don't see, and there's my tags. There should be one there and one over here by that weed somewhere. And hopefully they'll come up. But yeah, thought I'd give an update because this editing is taking forever. Okay, bye.